thing that I like a lot about this phone, and it's a double-edged sword. I like it, but then I'm not sure if I would want it. And that is the screen. The screen is huge. If you compare the screen to the iPhone screen, mine is a baby. Like, seriously, mine is baby. But saying that, it is a bigger phone as well. Like, you know, you can't really put that in your pocket, can you?
So it is slightly bigger than the iPhone 8. Same amount of thickness. It's not as big as the iPhone 8 Plus, but it has grown. It's also bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S7. But to be honest, using it day to day, I didn't actually notice a difference.
Like, seriously, it's only slightly bigger.
Yeah, but you know what, for a girl, because if you want to put it in your handbag or you...
Yay, it's time to go out. I'm going to put my phone in my bag. iPhone easy. Samsung Galaxy S9? Not so easy.
Is that real?
Like, I can put it in.
Put it in. Oh yeah, it's tough. Oh.
It's fairly tough.
Oh, okay. I've only had this for about a week and a half now, and I've fallen in love with the screen. I just want to look at it. I want to play with it. I want to make it widescreen. I want to zoom in the videos.
Cool.
It looks like a piece of candy, and it just looks so beautiful. And unlike the iPhone X that had that really obnoxious notch on it,
don't know what that
this
is.
one just looks crisp. It looks clear, and it even looks great with a case on it. It just honestly like. Oh, I love this phone. Look at it. Oh, it's so frigging sexy to use. Look at that gorgeous display. Look at that. Just looks like you fall in love with the screen.
He is in love with this phone.
I love
Samsung,
touching it.
If you're out there, sponsor him.
No, I love oh, of course, yeah, but I love like touching it. I love playing with it. Go for a swim, little phone. Go for a swim. You look gorgeous. Go for a little swim. It looks really gorgeous and beautiful. Like when I go back to the S7 now, I'm like, ew, I don't even like
really?
it. Yeah,
It does look old. It does look old. And actually going on from that, the feel of it as well, it's nice and curvy. And I have to say, it does feel a lot nicer than the iPhone 8 because it just feels a little bit more like softer in your hand. It's more smoothie. The curves are nice. So yeah, I definitely say that wins on basis.
Wait. But with the screen, you're getting one big compromise.
What's that?
And I like it, but
Okay.
it is a big actual negative on there, and
Okay.
it is the software. All right, so most apps are made for a square screen. With this Samsung, it has a curved edge. So if you ever go on the websites, the internets, or the newspapers, the apps on there, you're going to find that the beginning of the text, it always starts on the curved area of the screen.
No.
You can see that there's a nice, well, it's not a nice border around the text. They have fixed it in some apps. For example, if we're going to Google Play, the buffer's bigger. But if you're just browsing the internet, you're going to run into that issue. It makes it a bit harder to read text. It's just curving around.
So it does trick and hurt your eyes because like the will be slightly curved to the left. It doesn't actually look good, but this is purely a software issue.
Okay.
It
So
can
there's
get
room for
fixed.
improvement then.
But the thing is, most people aren't going to fix it. That's the problem. People aren't going to adapt to that curved screen.
It's
and with the
true.
iPhone X, you're just getting a nice square screen, so you're not going to get any problems like that. So there is that big compromise there, but I wouldn't trade it. I love the screen. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah. Well, okay. What about fashion? We never discussed that.
I
Fashion
think
sense.
yours wins on fashion.
Would you think the Samsung Galaxy S9 is better looking than the iPhone X?
Yeah. I just hate the iPhone X little bleb at the top. I just think it's unnecessary. It's so unnecessary. Why just make a straight line?
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.
Okay, Google.
I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast.
My friends, microphones.
Today is a special day.
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.